Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to stronger legs? If you want to keep moving, stay active, and feel youthful, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of nutrition to discover 6 powerhouse foods that can strengthen your legs and keep you on your feet. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the health vibes together. Alright, let's get started. Did you know that one of the first signs of aging is the gradual loss of muscle mass, especially in the legs? This can seriously impact your balance, mobility, and overall independence. But don't worry, we've got your back, or should I say your legs. Maintaining strong leg muscles is crucial for staying active and preventing falls, which are a leading cause of injuries among older adults. So let's dive into the first food that can help you keep those legs strong and steady. First up, we have the amazing sweet potato. This humble root vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in complex carbohydrates, sweet potatoes provide a steady supply of energy to your muscles, preventing those annoying spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. This means you'll have the stamina to walk, climb stairs, and tackle whatever the day throws at you. Plus, sweet potatoes are packed with fiber, which aids digestion and helps your body absorb essential nutrients for muscle health. And let's not forget about vitamin A powerful antioxidant found in sweet potatoes that protects your muscles from oxidative damage and supports muscle recovery after physical activity. So, next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to grab some sweet potatoes and give your legs the energy boost they deserve. Moving on to our second superfood, oats. These little grains are a fantastic source of low glycemic index carbohydrates, which means they provide a steady release of energy without causing sudden fluctuations in blood sugar levels. This is key for maintaining endurance during your daily activities. But that's not all. Oats are also an excellent source of plant-based protein, essential for rebuilding and maintaining muscle mass. They're packed with iron, which helps transport oxygen through your blood, and magnesium, a crucial mineral for muscle contraction and relaxation. Say goodbye to muscle cramps and hello to stronger legs with a hearty bowl of oats in the morning. Now, let's talk about a food that's not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your muscles: avocado. This creamy fruit is loaded with monounsaturated fats, which help reduce inflammation and protect your joints from wear and tear. Avocados are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral for muscle control and cramp prevention. And here's a fun fact. Avocados contain vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields your muscle cells from oxidative damage, helping to slow down muscle loss associated with aging. So go ahead and add some avocado to your salad, toast, or smoothie for a tasty way to support your leg strength. All right, folks, we're just getting started. Stick around because we've got even more incredible foods to share that will keep your legs in tip-top shape. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and tricks. Next on our list is the vibrant and delicious world of berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only tasty but also packed with antioxidants. These powerful compounds help combat oxidative stress, which can lead to muscle degradation and loss of strength over time. Berries also boast anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce joint and muscle pain. And let's not forget about vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, a key protein for the health of your tendons, ligaments, and muscles. So whether you enjoy them fresh, in a smoothie, or as a topping for your yogurt, make sure to include berries in your diet for a sweet way to protect your muscles. We're halfway through our list, but there's still so much more to uncover. Stay tuned for the next part where we'll reveal more amazing foods to keep your legs strong and healthy. And remember, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Together we can build a community of health enthusiasts who are committed to living their best lives. Welcome back, health enthusiasts. If you're just joining us, we're on a mission to strengthen our legs with the power of nutrition. In the first part, we explored the benefits of sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, and berries. But we're not done yet. There are still more incredible foods to discover. So let's dive right in and continue our journey to stronger, healthier legs. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's keep the momentum going. Now let's talk about a true superstar when it comes to muscle health, salmon. This delicious fish is not only a fantastic source of high-quality protein, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Protein is essential for muscle maintenance and repair, and salmon provides all the essential amino acids your body needs. Omega-3s, on the other hand, have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce muscle and joint pain. They also support cardiovascular health, ensuring efficient blood circulation to your muscles. This means better oxygen and nutrient delivery, optimizing muscle function and preventing fatigue. So whether you grill it, bake it, or enjoy it in a salad, make sure to include salmon in your diet for a tasty way to boost your leg strength. Next up, we have the incredible egg. Don't let its simple appearance fool you. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They're a complete source of high-quality protein containing all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth and recovery. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, a crucial nutrient for bone health and muscle function. And here's something you might not know. Eggs contain choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in communication between nerves and muscles. This ensures that signals are transmitted correctly for good motor coordination, which is essential for preventing falls and maintaining mobility. So whether you like them scrambled, poached, or boiled, make sure to add eggs to your diet for a simple yet effective way to support your leg muscles. As we continue our journey to stronger legs, let's not forget the importance of hydration. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for muscle function and overall health. Water helps transport nutrients to your muscles, aids in digestion, and keeps your joints lubricated. So make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially if you're engaging in physical activities. And if you're looking for a hydrating boost with added benefits, try coconut water. It's a natural source of electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, which are essential for muscle function and preventing cramps. Plus, it's a refreshing way to stay hydrated and support your leg health. Now let's shift our focus to another fantastic food, nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can benefit your muscles and overall health. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects your muscle cells from oxidative damage, while magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Zinc, on the other hand, supports muscle repair and growth. So whether you enjoy them as a snack, add them to your yogurt, or sprinkle them on your salad, make sure to include nuts and seeds in your diet for a nutrient-packed way to strengthen your legs. We're almost at the end of our list, but there's still one more food to reveal that can help you maintain strong and healthy legs. But before we do, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible power of nutrition. By making simple, mindful choices about what we eat, we can significantly impact our muscle health, mobility, and overall quality of life. So, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let's continue to build a community of health enthusiasts who are committed to living their best lives. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your muscles. These greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and magnesium. Vitamin A supports muscle recovery, vitamin C is essential for collagen production, and vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone health. Calcium and magnesium are both vital for muscle contraction and relaxation, ensuring that your muscles function properly. So whether you enjoy them in a salad, smoothie, or sautéed as a side dish, make sure to include plenty of leafy greens in your diet for a powerful way to support your leg strength. And there you have it, folks. 6 incredible foods that can help you maintain strong, healthy legs and keep you moving with confidence. But don't go anywhere just yet. We've got one more part to go where we'll wrap everything up and share some final tips to keep your legs in tip-top shape. So, stick around, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's continue this journey together. We've covered a lot of ground in our quest to strengthen our legs with the power of nutrition. In the first two parts, we explored the benefits of sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, eggs, nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Now it's time to wrap things up and share some final tips to keep your legs in tip-top shape. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Let's keep spreading the health vibes. As we conclude our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible impact that these foods can have on our leg strength and overall health. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you're giving your muscles the fuel they need to stay strong, flexible, and resilient. But remember, nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. To truly optimize your leg health, it's important to combine a balanced diet with regular physical activity and other healthy lifestyle habits. Let's start with physical activity. Engaging in regular exercise is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength, especially as we age. Aim for a mix of cardiovascular exercises like walking or cycling and strength training exercises like squats or leg presses. These activities help improve muscle tone, enhance balance, and boost overall mobility. And don't forget about flexibility exercises, such as yoga or stretching, to keep your muscles supple and prevent stiffness. By staying active, you're not only supporting your leg health, but also enhancing your overall well-being. Another important aspect of leg health is maintaining a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight can put additional strain on your leg muscles and joints, leading to discomfort and an increased risk of injury. By following a balanced diet and staying active, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight, reducing the burden on your legs and improving your overall health. Remember, it's not about drastic changes or extreme diets. It's about making sustainable, healthy choices that you can stick with in the long run. Hydration is another key factor in supporting your leg health. As we mentioned earlier, staying properly hydrated is essential for muscle function and overall health. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day and consider incorporating hydrating foods like fruits and vegetables into your diet. Proper hydration helps transport nutrients to your muscles, aids in digestion, and keeps your joints lubricated, all of which contribute to strong and healthy legs. Now, let's talk about the importance of rest and recovery. Giving your muscles time to rest and recover is just as important as staying active. Ensure you're getting enough sleep each night, as this is when your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. Additionally, consider incorporating rest days into your exercise routine to allow your muscles to recover and prevent overtraining. By balancing activity with rest, you're giving your legs the best chance to stay strong and healthy. Lastly, let's not forget the power of a positive mindset. Staying motivated and committed to your health goals can make a significant difference in your success. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family, set realistic and achievable goals, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, every small step you take towards better health is a victory worth celebrating. And there you have it. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, staying active, maintaining a healthy weight, staying hydrated, prioritizing rest and recovery, and maintaining a positive mindset, you're well on your way to stronger, healthier legs. We hope you found this journey as enlightening and inspiring as we have. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content that empowers you to live your healthiest life. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know which of these foods you're excited to incorporate into your diet. Your feedback is important to us, and we're always here to support you on your health journey. Thank you for joining us on this adventure to stronger legs. Remember, with the right nutrition, exercise, and mindset, you have the power to stay active, independent, and vibrant at any age. Keep moving, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep those legs strong.